CapCut is one of the best beginner-friendly video editing app with great features that you can ever think of. In this video, I will show you 6 amazing features you need to try on your video as a beginner that will give your video a facelift and that popping effect using just your phone. In no particular order, the first one on our list is the relight feature. Relight is a feature in CapCut that helps improve your video poor lighting in the absence of ring light or LED light during video recording. You can use the relight feature to brighten your video and give it that popping effect. Here is a short display on how to use the relight feature in CapCut. To use the relight feature in CapCut, once you are done editing your video in CapCut, scroll down to relight, tap on it and select from the available options. You see different options, then tap on apply. Allow it to apply in your video. You can go ahead to increase the brightness or reduce the brightness by using these lines available. I have a more detailed tutorial on it and I will leave the link in this video description. Once you are done applying it in your video, this is how your video will look. This tool is a lifesaver for those who don't have access to ring light or other options. The second feature on our list is the AI voice. This AI voice helps create voiceover from your written text. In case you don't want to use your voice for the voiceover or you want an alternative voice for your content, the CapCut text to audio allows you to convert all your written text to voice using a natural sounding AI voice. To use this feature on your video, tap on text to audio. Type in your text or paste your text here, then pick from any of the available voice and tap on OK. This is what it will sound like after applying it.
Father, this morning, I declare boldly, I am destined for greatness. I was not born by accident. I am not a mistake. I am chosen. I am handpicked.
This feature, text to audio or AI voice, is great for tutorials, reels, faceless YouTube channel, or narrations. Now the third one on our list is to create your thumbnails in CapCut. These features allows you to create your thumbnails directly in CapCut. You can create your YouTube thumbnails or other social platforms thumbnail in CapCut after editing your videos. In this feature, you can create thumbnails for both portraits and landscape video content. I have a detailed tutorial on this. I will leave the link in this video description. Kindly watch and learn how to create your thumbnails directly in CapCut. And the fourth one on our list is the text template. This is a pre-made animated text styles. This text template helps make your video look pro in one tap. And here is how to use it. First tap on text, then template. Pick from the dozens of available templates. Edit the text and input yours. Voila, there you have it. These text templates are perfect for hooks, titles, social posts. It helps level up your videos. And the fifth one on our list is separate audio. This feature in CapCut helps you separate the vocal from the instrument to give you just the vocal or the sound using AI. If you want just the beat of the song or the vocal, this tool will help you do that perfectly. This is perfect for karaoke or background sound. And this is how to apply this feature to your video. After importing your audio to your project, scroll to separate audio. Tap on it and select the things you want to separate from the audio. If you want the sound out or you want the vocal out, tap on it, allow it to apply. Once it applies, you can go ahead and delete the ones you don't want and leave the sound or the vocal you want in your video. Just go ahead and tap what you want to separate from that very song. Allow it to apply. Once it finishes applying, delete the parts you don't want and keep the parts you want in your video. This is how to use the separate audio feature in CapCut. And the sixth one on our list is the keyframe feature. This feature helps you adjust movement or effect from frame to frame. The keyframe feature also helps you to zoom in and zoom out. Create pro transition without any fancy tools. To apply it on your video, tap on the part you want to apply the keyframe. Hit on the diamond-shaped icon here to start applying it. Then move and position it to apply another keyframe at the end of the clip, just like this. And here is the final result. Here we apply the zoom in and the zoom out using the keyframe feature. CapCut offers powerful beginner-friendly tools that can completely transform your videos. Whether you are editing for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just for fun. From fixing poor lighting with Relight, creating voiceover with AI, and designing eye-catchy thumbnails, enhancing styles with text templates, separating audios, and dynamic motion through applying keyframes. CapCut gives you everything you need to edit like a pro just from your phone. So please don't just watch this video. Like and subscribe for more tips. In conclusion, mastering these features not only make your content more engaging, but also saves time and effort in post-production. The best part is you don't need expensive software or complex editing skills, just creativity and CapCut. So start experimenting, have fun, and let your video stand out. Now let's discuss in the comment section. Which of these features have you been making use of and how has it been helpful to you? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, share, and turn on your notification for more content update. Thank you for watching.